Hold on. Yo! Yo! Cook on Vibe, welcome back. So what you want to do is you want to get yourself a piece of yam, right? Cut it, put it in a bowl of water and put 3 toothpicks in it. You know what I'm saying? Woyoy. Yeah, this one's really amazing, people. And as you can see, the roots will start growing. You see it there? You know what I'm saying? So you just let the roots them grow, you know? Yeah, man. We have life. We have life. You see inside here is a piece of yam. I put it in some water, yeah? And it started rooting. And then I put put it into a pot. And we have life. Don't forget to subscribe, people. Otherwise you're going to lose all your toenails. Yo, the yam is looking mad. Hey, who else do you know that grows yam in the UK? Don't play with me, man. You get me? Sugarcane there, Scotch bonnet. Yes, people. So look, this is how far we've got with it. Look how big it is now. You get me? So finally, it's been in the pot for this long. Now it's about to go in the ground. You get me? There's some potatoes there already going, and dig up these weeds. Why? Guys, we are on the run up to 50k. Yes, that's right. So don't forget to subscribe, please and thanks. Why? This is the yam.
Man.
Yeah, people, I've got yam growing.
People, me come no. Put the camera outside, that. Put the camera outside. That that a yard me come from, no brother. I have to tell people me say a yard me come from, no. I'm calling him that no. I way out in a sheerness.
Yam.
Yam. Yo, alright. Back home we don't call this a yam hill.
Right.
Yeah, this is a yam hill. So see him that I put a bamboo here so now, because you see the yam hill. It grows upwards,
yeah.
So it's spinal. So you see underneath the ground here, there's the yam growing under there.
Underneath
so
there.
This earth, you need the earth, brother. You need the earth for cure this, and the vines them will grow. Person are taking the sunlight now. You know, so the yam will grow.
Yeah.
Yam and see them on a mad thing. Yam in England, no.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a full video for them on how to grow it.
Yeah.
In England, yeah. All right, people. So I've been growing a yam in the garden. Nah, it's definitely got to the point where the vine is dying off. A lot of the leaves have fallen off, and you can see that this part here, look, just done. You know what I'm saying? So, boy, we're gonna dig it up and see what's there. You know what I'm saying? I don't think it's had long enough to grow, but we're gonna see what I want. So that's what man's got so far. Yeah, so it's definitely not big, but I don't know how far that goes down, but it's still tough. So I'm still gonna have to dig more to get down there. Why? Yo! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my days. That piece there, but yeah, this piece here. Oh my days, that is amazing. I cannot believe this grew in England. Yam grown in the UK. Mad thing, look at that, yam grown in the UK.
Have loads of mud on it.
Yeah, man, we just brush off the mud. That's no problem. Yazid! I don't know. It's not bad. It's not bad, people. It's not the biggest yam, but done all right, man. You get me? There's like a little piece on the vine left there. Why yam in the UK? Yeah, I'm amazed by this. Look at that. I mean, if you see what I put in there, all this is new, this is new, all this is new. Like, I don't even know if I could use that little piece here. I don't know, but yeah, that's what we end up with. So we're gonna wash it off and yeah, see how it looks. Why you know the style, cook and vibe style. Remember where you see it first. Yeah, people, so we just speak to Ringo, right? And he said, like, so basically, look, this is a 1 yam here, and this is a 1 yam here, and this is a 1 yam here. You get me? So he's saying, take off the yams, cut them off down here, and then plant back this. He's like, plant this back in the ground, bro, and even plant this back as well. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut off the yams and then plant it back again and grow some more. Yeah, I farm yam now, brother. Right now it's like end of October, you get me? So really and truly, I'm not gonna risk putting this back in the ground right now. So a pot, I'm gonna put it in, and I'm gonna put it inside, make sure it gets light and water. Do you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna keep it inside at least until it starts warming up outside here again. Do you know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do now is just cut off these yams. Yeah, so Ringo said for get underneath, little worm there. You have to come out of there, brother. Yeah, man, I try yam after yam. So I must be like here. Got it cut. Yeah, there we go. There's one of them. So we have the one there. You get me? And then we'll go for this next piece here. Hey! Yeah! Next yam. And then the little one there. That one just broke off. You get me? So all this, we are gonna plant back and farm some more yam. You see it? This one, you know, we are gonna just brush off the dirt and we're gonna cook something with it. Yeah, man, well, you know, so we have to cook a soup. We have to cook a soup with the yam, you know? Yeah, man, it makes sense. It makes sense, sir. Why? There you have it, man. Yams grown in the UK. Mad thing. A little tiny one there. Medium to small. I'm gonna do, I can't really bother people. I'm just gonna dash this straight back in the ground, you know. And the other piece has been planted in there. And this is the one I'm gonna take care of indoors, you know. Yeah, man, so this can go back in the ground. Yeah, people, you know, man, I had to cook up a little soup with them. Look at the yams, them there, grown in the Cook and Vibe garden. Why? Yeah, man, so we're gonna do one chicken soup. You see chicken there, wash and clean, yeah. So we got the yam. So we got chicken and yam so far. Cut up some pumpkin, so we got the pumpkin there. We got some thyme, we got a scotch bonnet. We've also got a couple cho-chos there. And we've got some Irish potatoes. You get me? So that is all the ingredients that we're gonna put in. Oh, some scallion, of course. Seasonings, we're just gonna use the Maggi all-purpose. Gonna use a little chicken seasoning. And at the end, your chicken flavor soup. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So yam grown in the garden. It's a mad thing. Let's cook some food.
Get Miguel's Jerkyard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why? Yeah, the name. I'm not really going to do a complicated one today, people. I'm not going to go step by step because I've done soups before. You get me? Go check out chicken foot soup in Jamaica. Chickens, them are fighting and all type of things. So we're going to season it now, put everything in. Yeah, white onion, straight in, yeah? we're gonna dash the chicken seasoning in. We've done chicken soup before on the channel as well, you get me? So yeah man, just a quick, you know what I mean, quick cut and go through thing, you get me? Because obviously this today is just really about the yam being grown, you know what I'm saying? So can we get some likes and celebrate that? First things first, yeah, I've just put the pumpkin, scallion, thyme, chicken in there, cook that off until the pumpkin mushes up, and then we do our thing. But you know how thing go, man. Yeah, why y'all? The yams in there, grown by M.R. himself in the Cook and Vibe garden, and the most important thing, in England. Why? See it there, people? Why? Soup finished. You know what? I cut my yam a certain way, you know, so I knew exactly what it looked like. So I made sure I got some of the yam, you get me? So yeah man, yam grown in the UK. You know how the thing works, people. Big up section, and I'll see you next time. Why people, I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button and press that subscribe button. Why? See you next week. So the moral of the story is, people, remember, every fruit have a seed, every vegetable have a seed or a way to grow it, roots or whatever. Do you know what I'm saying? And that can always grow, so never be afraid to try it out. You know what I'm saying? We've done sugarcane, we've had yam. You get me? Let's see what we can do next year. But yeah man, big up Lee Hiller. Yeah man, big up, oh no, hold on, Lee Hillier. My man done it again. Best one so far. Love G. And that was the chicken cooked in a melon on Croydon High Street. If you ain't seen it, make sure you go check it out. And I hope that you just keep enjoying the episodes, and I hope they get better, and I hope you keep enjoying them, you know what I'm saying? So also big up Shannon Shea. She says, great episode, M.R. and Ringo. Enjoyed watching Cook on Vibe. And by the way, M. You can hear much better now with the new microphone. Yeah, you get me? So, yeah man, everything I step up. You see? Yeah, everything I step up. The reason why I didn't use the microphone on certain episodes, especially the hot sauce one, because you could hear a lot of wind, because simply I've only got one mic, so I can only really use that when I'm doing it on my own. You know what I'm saying? Why man? I'll see you next time.